Good morning to everyone, and thank you a lot, sir, for having me such a wonderful opportunity to present my thoughts in front of you. Now I'm going to describe my topic. My topic name is Poverty in India, which is provided to us by Director of Saraswati English classes, and this topic is very interesting in itself. So if I commit mistake while speaking, please forgive me. As far as this topic is concerned, first of all, I want to tell you what is the meaning of poverty. Poverty is a state or condition in which a person or community has lack of financial resources. In other words, their income level is so low, and poverty is due to lack of education, lack of awareness. Employment is available here, job vacancies are available here, but people are not so much aware towards education. And poverty is a very old age issues. And if I talk about in India, after gaining the independence in the year 1947, poverty in India, poverty is a rapid increase in the rate of poverty, and the fact that the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. ओ राम का खिचड़ी भी खाता है, ओ रहीम का खीर भी खाता है। ओ राम का खिचड़ी भी खाता है, ओ रहीम का खीर भी खाता है। ओ भूखा है जनाब, उसे मजहब कहाँ समझ में आता है, कहाँ समझ में आता है। Poverty is not a natural calamities like a earthquake that just happen. The great Bill Gates says it's not your fault if you were born in poverty, but it's definitely your fault if you are die in poverty. Because after coming on the earth, after burning on earth, each and everything in your hands, you can change everything. You can get rid of from poverty. And I want to tell you what is the main cause of poverty in India. First of all, fast growing population has reduced the per income of India, and hence the standard of living has also fallen considerably. And if a country has overpopulated, and second thing is unemployment. Unemployment is the main cause of poverty in India. There are a lot of people, means they have no any types of job, and this is also cause of poverty. Apart from unemployment and population, agriculture is agriculture is the backbone of our country. And agriculture is the backbone of our country and Indian economics. And India is also agricultural country, but the agricultural sector is not good. The farmers have not good facilities to irrigate the fields, to irrigate crops. And they are uneducated, they are so poor, they don't get seeds timely to timely. This is means in one side this is also cause of poverty. Apart from this, I want to tell you how can we remove poverty from India. First of all, we have to understand what is the main roots, what is the main cause of poverty, and working for its solutions, such as empowering women, and reforming the agriculture infrastructure. And why I'm saying empowering women. First of all, I want to tell you it is not possible for a bird can fly on only one wings, but through century, our countries, our societies over have been trying to flying on only one wings, denying the women their rightful place. I mean to say that in the same way, it is not possible for our country, means for a man. Man can only remove poverty, can progress our country to ignoring the power of women. Because compared to the other states, compared to the other country, Indian women are not get freedom. as another countries. And I want to tell you, if means in which country the male literacy and the female literacy is equally, that country is developing a lot. And one more thing is education. Firstly, we have to understand the power of education and reform. Uh, Understand the power of education, because education is everything. We can change everything just because of education. You know, education is our pride, education is our right, education is supreme. It is not possible for a it is means it is not only light should comes only from lamps. Education also brightens family, education also brightens country. Education is the key to breaking the cycle of poverty. Education is the freedom to passport. Education is not limit from our textbook. Education is life itself. So firstly we have to understand, and uh, improving improving the education system. And the government has taken a lot of types of scheme uh, to provide and create a sustainable life. And such as in welfare of social, such as the many programs and initiatives like Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. These all schemes provide uh, to survive a luxurious life. But apart from government scheme, several steps can be taken. Government has promised to create a chief uh, programs and food security. Food security is also provided by Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan in May 2020. So at this thing I stop my topic. Thank you very much. Have you any question? Which types of role? Uh, Firstly, we have to take proper education and understand the gender inequality, because in our country there are a lot of means here is a discrimination between the girl's child and the boy child. So we have to understand, we should never discriminate between the girl's child and a boy child, means gender inequality. And I have already told you it is not possible to ignoring the women's power. We can develop our country, because if both are together, our country will be developed, our country will be progress, and we can remove poverty very easily.